Hey everyone! If you've been looking for hosting, you've come to the right video. By clicking the link in my description or scanning the QR code on your screen, you'll be eligible for an exclusive extra 20% discount. This is the best way to unlock the greatest savings on your hosting. Once you click the link, you'll arrive at this page where the 20% discount is applied automatically. I'm going to click on Claim Deal here to show you how it works. This discount isn't just for one specific plan. It works for every single plan, no matter which one you're going for. Take a look at the checkout here. On the 48-month plan, I'm saving $28 right off the bat. But the best part is that it's flexible. If I change it to the 24-month plan, I'm still saving money. Even if I go down to the 12-month plan, the extra 20% discount still applies. Whether you need a site for 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years, you're getting a massive deal. Plus, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. This offer is available globally, no matter what country you're watching from. This is a really good deal that you can grab right now. Just click the link in the description or scan the QR code to get started. Don't miss out!